As smartphone cameras are getting better and better, less people are using DSLRs and standalone cameras to take their photos, especially with accessories like this, the PhotoGrip Qi. For those who enjoy taking photos on their phones, the PhotoGrip is something you may consider buying. In essence, this is an ergonomic grip for your handset with some extra functionality thrown in for good measure. So, underneath a carry pouch we have the main unit, and to be fair, upon first inspection the quality is actually surprisingly good. I was left rather impressed. The unit carries some weight, but there's a reason for that, which we'll come to in just a moment, but otherwise it carries a plastic overall construction which feels robust and easily hard wearing. In essence, what we have on this side of the unit is a spring-loaded smartphone clamp. Rubberized clamp edges coupled with rubber corners on the base not only protect the inserted handset, but grip it rather tightly, ensuring it won't fall out of place once inserted. And talking of inserting the handset, this can be done with a single quick and easy motion. We have an iPhone XS Max with a case attached here which fits perfectly well and is held rather tight, no wiggle room whatsoever. So what we have now is the ability to comfortably hold our smartphone in a more natural camera shooting position, thanks to this lovely hand grip to one side. It not only looks comfortable, it is seriously comfortable to hold, ergonomically shaped perfectly for your hand and finished with a rubberized texture for added grip. At the top we find the shutter button, which connects to your handset via Bluetooth and can be used to capture images or video as you please. Alongside is a small status LED, although the button itself incorporates a satisfying tactile click when pressed and feels rather nice to operate, no issues there at all. In essence, what we've done here is turn your standard smartphone into a handheld camera with a nice comfortable hand grip and a shutter button on top, rather than using any on-screen shutter. The side of the hand grip is flat, meaning we can place the handset in a portrait orientation, perfect for capturing images or video in portrait or even for live video streaming. In addition, when in landscape, the bottom of the unit is also flat and sits nicely in this orientation too. Although it does sit rather nicely, if, like me, you want some added stability, then a built-in 1/4" 20 tripod thread in the base can be used to attach to a tripod or any other mounting accessory. In fact, a mini tripod is included within the package, and once screwed into place, we can open the legs, each incorporating rubber-coated feet for added grip. And we have all the stability we need in a nice professional looking package. It doesn't end there though, this isn't just a phone grip and holder, so here's the first hidden feature. Recall that shutter button being connected to the handset via a Bluetooth connection? Well, it can actually be removed from the hand grip altogether, now allowing the use of the shutter remotely, meaning you can set the camera, frame your shot, then walk away and get into the shot before triggering the shutter to take your image. Or maybe you're taking long exposure shots and need the camera to remain completely still as you take your shot. The remote shutter again comes in extremely handy. So a smartphone holder, a comfortable hand grip, the ability to take images from a distance, and yet we still have one more feature available. Now on a long day's shooting, you may find your smartphone battery running low, and like my device here, I'm unable to attach external power without removing the smartphone from the PhotoGrip. Well, this unit has that covered since the base incorporates a wireless charger too. Inside the hand grip is a 3000 mAh battery. This is charged via a USB-C port in the bottom of the device, with a cable being conveniently included within the package. So if you find your smartphone battery running low while out on a shoot, a single press of the button at the top of the device switches the wireless charging on and the handset begins charging as normal, leaving you to keep shooting for longer. A small status LED next to the charging button indicates battery life remaining with different colours, while a double click of the button stops charging completely. It works well and means you don't have to carry around a clunky portable battery with you, and you don't need to have cables dangling out of your phone as everything is done wirelessly. While the battery size is relatively small at 3000 mAh, you don't really need anything more if you just want to keep your phone topped up for using the camera. So, all in all, this really is a useful little device that covers all the basics. A secure smartphone holder that provides a comfortable hand grip for handheld shooting, incorporating the ability to place the handset in portrait or landscape orientations in its raw form, or with a tripod attached to the standard tripod mount at the bottom, along with a very secure mini tripod included within the package. If that weren't enough, we have the remote shutter abilities, and to top it off there is a wireless charger built in too for super long photo sessions. Now it does come with a shoulder strap, although I couldn't find anywhere to attach it directly to the grip, so it most likely attaches to the included carry pouch, which is also of a high quality with thick padding by the way. But as for the unit itself, well, it pretty much covers everything you need. It's a little pricey at $60, but when you consider it's a portable battery as well as a shooting solution, it's not actually so bad. If you take a lot of photos or capture video on your smartphone, the PhotoGrip is well worth looking at and comes well recommended.